Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. Welcome back to another video. So this vlog is going to be a little bit shorter because I didn't do too much vlogging this week since I spent more time focusing on my content. So today was a grocery pickup day, so I'm just going to haul all of the teas for you all. So a lot of y'all were telling me to try out the Blueberry Slim Life tea. Purchased it, absolutely love it. I just opened the Calm Stomach one yesterday, October the 5th, as I'm sitting here doing the voiceover, and I like that one a lot as well. I haven't had the raspberry leaf one just yet, so I'll update you all once I taste it. And I've slowly finally weaned myself off of using sugar in my teas. I just lessened over time the amount that I would add, so now I make my teas with honey and lemon only. One of my favorite things about the Yogi tea is reading these cute little quotes that they have on the tags. And that's pretty much all that I documented for this day. Sometimes when it's a filming day for me, I don't collect much vlog footage in that same day, just to balance things out for myself. And I often get questions about where I purchase my teas. They have an entire tea aisle at Walmart, Kroger, so that's usually where I get them from. I haven't seen is heard what you shall be, what you shall be. You are when can I get a witness singing? Yeah. You were born to win. Yeah. Okay, I had to make sure I got some gloss on. Don't want this in the frame. So, giveaway package arrived while I was in the middle of trying to get settled and situated for this random vacation. I'll have to do a story time on that one. As of right now, I've currently only uploaded day 1 of the trip. By the time y'all see this, those videos will be out. But me, in this current moment, I can't predict what has currently been said about the trip yet, except for day 1. Y'all are really liking the day 1 footage in Nashville when we did some shopping and I showed you all my new bag and everything. Yeah, that trip was super random, but me tagging along was random. It was my parents' trip and I just went along for the ride. So either way, if you all keep up with my vlogs, then you know in one of them I announced the giveaway winner. We didn't get a chance to mail all of this off before I left, so we're going to do that now. If you're not new to my channel, I had done my own Amazon birthday wish list. On Amazon, you can check to have gift wrapping like this actually. But of course, I had to open it up since it came to my home address because I couldn't remember if it includes anything about my address on these. I normally always recycle these boxes just because otherwise I would just break it down and put it in the trash can anyway. Save the planet a little bit versus just, buying a new one. I think I had told you all in the video that I had some more items that I was going to add to it. I like to film me preparing the giveaway items, that way on my end, to you guys, I don't probably seem like a scammer or that I'm lying about giveaways or that they're not real or something. So I always take you all with me to ship everything off. It's at the discretion of the person that receives it, I guess, if they send me any picture or anything, and then I put that on my Instagram story and I let you all know that they received it. This is the gift. I'm going to keep it in the gift wrapping. I had checked on Amazon for it to come in the cute little packaging. I went and grabbed the other items. So y'all remember I said the winner was also getting the same wax warmer like we have. It glows when you plug it in. The wax melt, I gotta grab the other wax melts. It's gonna be some more going along with that. And if you all saw my shower and skincare video, the LED floral lights, I don't think I mentioned it in that video. The pack that I ordered on Amazon, it came with 3 of them. 3 of them. It's an extra one here. I haven't opened it or anything yet. To keep it nice and clean and sanitized and stuff, I'm not going to touch it. It's just the same LED light with the remote that me and my sister have. If you saw my spa routine video. But it's wrapped so cute. What if I can't tie it back the same? Okay, let's do it. I hope I can tie it back the same. Plus I need to include a note in here. Oh, they just bowed it together. Okay, cool. Somebody outside? I ain't expecting nobody. Ooh. Okay, so I will get to show it to you all. That way I won't seem like they're gonna be like, she just mailing off an empty box. She gonna mail it to herself. No, I'm kidding. I've never had any discrepancies with people thinking my giveaways were fake, but just to, just to be sure on everyone's end. So this is the diffuser. I reached out to her and had her to pick it out herself. It was taking me a while because I know y'all were probably checking video after video. Even when I pick out things on Amazon for myself, it takes me a while. Like when I show you all something that I've purchased and when I link it down below, if you all end up purchasing those items, usually you don't really gotta do no research on it, because I spent so much time trying to make sure this is the best decision. I probably didn't do a good enough job with this one. Boom got hers at Walmart. If y'all want to check Walmart for this without waiting on shipping from Amazon, even though it's just like 2 days of Prime, because hers actually has a suction on it so she can stick it to the wall of the shower. This one doesn't have that, so you just sit it along the bottom. But for me, that's not a problem. I could probably find a way to DIY my own suction. But either way, as well as the wax melts, it's a stain on it. No. All right, it has stuff where you can send thank you notes. Hey. Yay, then I can seal it back up the same way and do the bow. Okay, that bow was cuter before. Hold on. I haven't checked my P.O. box this week anyway. You know that after vacation leg where you just, you're slowly getting back into the swing of things. So I do need to check my P.O. box this week, just in case something's there waiting for me. Okay, I hope I tied it cute. If this doesn't work, obviously I want to just get a better box at the post office. Yay! I think I got it. And we forgot to put this back. All right, I'm gonna get this situated. We'll chat at the post office. I'm normally not with my nephew after daycare, but we're going with him. He normally stops at, I can't fit Lincoln mask. I forgot my mask. I have to edit that out the vlog. But yeah, Mr. Lincoln gets a, let's see if I can fit this one. Be right back. You're not gonna be buying cars every day. My nephew get a new car every day, Monday through Friday after daycare. Normally I'm not with him after daycare, but I asked my mom to pick me up because I need a facial toner. I need to get a mask too. Come this way, Lincoln.
Oh, right here. Here they go.
Oh, they're right there. Okay, I thought you were saying over there. Okay, let's see. I guess I'm gonna get the 50 box, huh? That's all they got is this one. See, they got reusable. I don't need the...
Oh, no gloves.
Those are gloves. Never thought we'd be paying $35 for masks.
But these are hospital ones. They say they the best.
I'm just get the 50 pack because I'm not going to be washing them out, because clearly that doesn't help my face at all. How much I used to get compliments on my skin and my face looking pretty to people.
Okay.
I haven't heard that since COVID.
Right, come on, let's see what type of car they got today.
Oh, I was supposed to go to the skincare aisle. Yeah, I'm about to purchase it now. Yeah, you're right. I can just open it. Since I have to have it on so bad.
All right, Megan, what car shall we get tonight?
But yeah, I'm done wearing I think I'm about to be done wearing those fabric kinds. Like, I mean, I could wash them, but they just, I'm gonna pay for this when I get up front since I gotta have it on. I'm finna put it on right now. $34.99. But yeah, my skin, y'all probably can't see it. I don't be having filters and stuff on my camera when I vlog, so what you see is what you get. But also, I have recently ran out of toner, and I'm like very routine, don't miss a beat when it comes to my skincare routine. So me being out of toner, maybe toner, now that I'm out of it, I see that it's an essential and important step in my skincare routine, obviously. Or maybe it's more essential than it has. I don't like the word essential now that they use it in that kind of way.
Come here every day, he got every toy, so we gotta pick a different
What was I about to say? I lost my thought. Maybe the toner along with the masks is the reason that I break out bad. Like maybe if we weren't wearing masks and I didn't have toner, it wouldn't be a big deal because I have ran out before. But now that we wear masks, the toner probably cleanses my skin and balances it out in a different type of way. Anyways, another year I heard. Yeah, I'm over it. What you getting today, Lincoln? You bought them all probably.
We got everything on there.
Yes, you did.
We might stop going to Walmart.
Don't let me forget what I came for. Facial toner. We found some cars way at the top. I can't get it.
You don't like this one?
I'm a pro with one hand. Come on. You don't want to look at this? And I just struggle to get it down? You want to see this? My nephew likes manual cars. He doesn't like the remote control kind. Let me go down here and grab my mask that I opened before I look like I'm stealing on the camera up there. So my nephew picked out his toy of choice for the day, and I asked him to come with me to the skincare aisle. This way, Lincoln. He's like, no. Don't y'all hate when y'all come with somebody that only want what they want to get after they find what they came to the store for, they want to leave. Wait, Lincoln.
All right, y'all. I'm going to pray for my grandma.
Let's see. Let's find a toner. I should have went live and extra real quick. I watch everybody on YouTube, but whenever I'm in the store, I cannot remember what people say is their favorites, and I hate that. I just be standing here like, dang, I just watched the skincare routine. Oh, bio oil. I do need some of that. Let's just get the big one, Kim. Dog, we gonna spend $100 and only have 3 items? $50 and this it? I'm gonna say, can I get the biggest bag you got so I can feel like I bought something? We need a toner. Alcohol-free toner. No, I need a toner with alcohol in it because I feel like that'll get these mask germs off my face. I'm gonna tell you all my dilemma on why I think we get breakouts from these masks when I get in the car. So hold on, let me pick out this right quick. Clear pore oil eliminate. I don't need an oil eliminator. You know what? I should just get the isopropyl alcohol like I've been using. Oh, but I forgot it's COVID. Can't find alcohol right now. Let's just get Sea-Breeze astringent. I hate to buy this big one and I never tried it before. That's what I had. This is what I recently ran out of. I would either use this or I would use my regular clear alcohol. Obviously that's hard to find now. I think before applying makeup, after cleansing and before applying moisturizer and makeup. Have you ever used this more on your skin and your skincare routine? Sea-Breeze. You haven't. You heard of Thyers? It's an astringent. That's what drew me to it. See if I can get rid of these bumps. My hand's full, y'all. I'm gonna be back. So I'm trying to get Boone on the phone so I can ask her about the toothpaste that she had that she let me borrow on our vacation, but she's not picking up. Great. Automatic voicemail. I remember that it was Crest. I actually got the camera right here. I could run the clip back right quick. I'm gonna just get. I want the one Boone got, but she didn't pick up the phone just now. It was like, it had like, you know how you have micro beads in your facial wash? Her toothpaste had that in it, like little beads. I'll just get the Crest, this one right here. Yeah, it felt good on my teeth. This might not be. I just tried to call her. If you're watching this, oh, she Edison. Well, that's excusable. I'll get this one. This might have been it. Man, I wonder if this is it. This might have been it. Okay. Normally, y'all know I get the Colgate Enamel Health, but I haven't been seeing it as. There it is. I got the last one. Okay, I'm coming. Listen, rewind the clip back. Did we do Mr. Lincoln just like that just now? When he was picking out cars, I don't recall us rushing at all. My hand's full again, so I'm gonna be back. Mom, could you? Oh, okay, I can sit it down. I got it. I can do it right here. Yes. We came down the wrong aisle. He found a bigger car. Y'all, I came right here to sit my things down to press the stop recording button, and now he found a bigger car. Oh, hold on, let me do him like he just did me. No, Putt-Putt, come on. No, Lincoln, Putt-Putt, come on. I'm just playing. You want that one? I thought you didn't like the remote control kind.
I want this.
You don't like that one up there? You don't like that one? Look, here go me. You don't like that one? You come here every day. You don't like these? Did you see these? Oh, yeah. Come on, Lincoln, let's go. Bye-bye. Oh, man, I came down the wrong aisle. It's all good.
What you got?
Hold on, let me cut this camera off. He does not have to drag this around. We'll be back. Y'all. That's all we got. Oh, my God. This is the car Lincoln got today.
Open it!
Okay, we're about to. It's the now followed by the please for me. Girl, look at this. This is so cute. I like this. So, moving right along, 1 week later. Wow, I didn't vlog for an entire week, my bad. But today, we're celebrating my nephew's 4th birthday. So, guys, oops, almost fell. My nephew's birthday is on the 28th of September. Celebrating his birthday today, actually. Today is the 26th. We're celebrating his birthday today. Obviously, because that's a Saturday instead of celebrating it on Monday, which is a weekday. I'm letting my sister borrow the vlog camera to film and like vlog his birthday for either her channel or Lincoln's channel. So be sure that you all head over there to check it out. But I just wanted to show you all what I'm gifting my nephew. I'm getting my nephew some skates. It says he has polyurethane wheels, molded cuff support, and then adjustable sizing, so he'll be able to wear these until he gets to a size 2. Me and my brothers and sisters used to love skating growing up, so not only that, but all of us were literally trying to think, what does my nephew not have? He's the only grandchild, he's the only nephew, grandchild, whatever relationship he has to all of us, he's the only one in the family. So if y'all have seen his bedroom, then y'all know why it would be hard for us to figure out what to get him. But of course, he's turning 4. Kids love toys, so yeah. So I also got him a etch and sketch. Actually, Boom spotted this and I was like, oh my god, thank you. Like, got him an etch and sketch. This one is the limited edition by Monopoly. They had a few other options, but Monopoly is classic. So, and of course, how typical of Destiny, she got the boy a camera. So I got him a VTech Kitty Zoom Creator Cam, and you can actually video edit on this, so I may borrow it. It says it's for 5 and up, but it's okay. This one says 3 and up, so got these bags. So the camera got full on me, but basically I was saying make sure you all head over to my sister Bones YouTube channel. I have it on the screen. That way if you all do want to see Lincoln's birthday party, it'll be over there. Okay guys, I don't know if this is my footage or Bone's footage, but Bone and Lincoln are on the way. The guests are already in the back. So yeah, Lincoln's about to arrive at his surprise 4th birthday party. I'm excited. But yeah, they're on the way, so stay tuned. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! My wig ain't on tight. Happy birthday. Could not have been there. Aside for his birthday. Happy birthday, Lincoln. Look who coming in now. She a copycat. My dad and Lincoln and Boone came to visit, and we're watching one of Lincoln's favorite shows. Outfit of the day. Why are you picking on stuff? Looking at them in her hair. Let us see your outfit of the day. Oh wait, I didn't know that you had that on. Take that off.
That's pretty green.
Now give us your outfit of the day.
Nice color, green.
Green shirt.
I like the detailing on this.
Yes.
Nice.
Khaki green skirt with the khaki material. With nice little design on the side.
Oh, that's pretty.
2 open slits for easy walking.
What's up, Mr. Lincoln?
Most khaki is brown. This khaki.
All right, that's enough playtime. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Nike flip-flops, very comfortable, thick, with the white matching toes and nails.
Oh, I did my mama nails yesterday. I didn't film it. I'll link the older video down below. I just did a gel manicure for her.
Y'all got a cool towel to
It
wipe
won't
this
focus
out.
that much, but you get the point. So, this is day 2 of me drinking this kombucha. I heard Jackie Aina talking about it on her YouTube channel, and I thought I would try it. I added it to my cart when I do my online grocery shopping. I didn't drink all of it because I saw where it says that it's 2 servings per container. So I drank half of it yesterday, and I'm about to drink the rest now. And I guess it's good to read the packaging too, because it says do not shake, and I mistakenly shook it up the first time. It starts off tasting like pineapple passion fruit. And then after that, it sort of gives me the vibes of a little bit of spice, that aftertaste that apple cider vinegar shots give you. If y'all know what I mean. It's tolerable, so I would definitely buy it again. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my family. I'll chat with you all later. I just want to show y'all the snacks that I'm eating while we watch TV.
But she don't even care, nope, cause she like that there. Like pretty women all around me, cause I'm the young Hugh Chef. And that's just how I live, money and pretty women.